Dora, get out of the printer. Dora, get out. Get out of the printer. Dora. Dora, get out of there. Get. I said, you want a box, huh? Huh? I said, get out of the printer. What is your obsession with that? Are you the cat geek squad? You gonna fix that printer? I dare ya. Been trying to fix that thing for weeks. Now move it. Get out. I said get out. You want to box? Oh, you want to hit me now? Oh, you want to box this? Huh? You want to box this? Dora, come on, move it. Move it. Get down. Come on. Dora, move. Move. Get out of there. Now, I mean it. I need to change the cartridge. Get down. Get down. Go on. Come on, quit fighting me. What is your problem?